Hello innovators, today we are going to talk about smart manufacturing and how the future of Industry 4.0 is transforming our future. Point number 1, IoT integration, where IoT stands for Internet of Things and the IoT sensors are extensively used in smart manufacturing where they collect real-time data and they are used for optimization of the production process. Point number 2, automation and robotics, where automated systems and robotic machinery help in the repetition of tasks which enhances the productivity and they are the core of smart manufacturing. Point number 3, predictive maintenance. Smart manufacturing enables predictive maintenance so as to keep a check over the performance of IoT sensors and data analytical tools so as to predict when they need maintenance. With that being said, we can establish how smart manufacturing is enabling us and keeping us close to the future of innovation 4.0. For more information, keep following us. My name is Aryan Tyagi. I'm a student at School of Computer Science and Engineering at Galgotias University.